हर किस्म के इस्लामी बयानात के लिए हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल मौलाना मोहम्मद अनवर ऑफिशियल को सब्सक्राइब करें।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि वहदह वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला मन ला नबिय्य बअदह अम्मा बअद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम क़ाल अल्लाहु तआला इन्नल्लाहा युहिब्बुत तव्वाबीन व युहिब्बुल मुतत्तहिरीन सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम। My respected friends, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned the menstruation, the injunction of the menses of a woman, and also the injunctions of the irregular blooding of a woman in his Holy Quran. وَيَسْأَلُونَكَ عَنِ الْمَحِيضِ. So, in the light of Sharia, the minimum period of a woman for menstruation is 3 days and 3 nights. Whatever is less than this period, that is irregular blooding. The maximum period of a woman for menstruation, for menses, is 10 days and 10 nights. Whatever is more than this period, that is extended bleeding, or that is irregular blooding. So there is one other period of a woman in Sharia, which is called habitual period. If she has a habitual period, for instance, she has 6 days, so the minimum period of habitual period is his habit. If a woman has a habitual period, so according to the Sharia, whatever is less than or whatever is more than this period, that is irregular blooding. What is difference between irregular blooding and what is difference between irregular blooding and menstruation, menses? During the menstruation and during the menses, she cannot offer the prayer, she cannot go to the mosque, she cannot do tawaf, she cannot recite the Holy Quran, she cannot come to the husband. But in the duration of the irregular blooding, she can offer the prayer, she can take fast, she can recite the Holy Quran. This is the difference between these two injunctions. And in a month, the minimum period of purity is 15 days after menstruation. 15 days are the purity period, minimum period, while the maximum period of the purity has no limit. It may extend to a year or 2 years. It has no limit in Islam. So according to the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, وَيَسْأَلُونَكَ عَنِ الْمَحِيضِ, they ask you about the menstruation. قُلْ هُوَ أَذَى, say it is harm, it hurt. قُلْ هُوَ أَذَى فَاعْتَزِلُوا النِّسَاءَ فِي الْمَحِيضِ, keep away yourself from your wives in this duration, in the duration of menstruation. وَلَا تَقْرَبُوهُنَّ حَتَّى يَطْهُرْنَ, do not approach to them while they are in menstruation, till they are pure. فَإِذَا تَطَهَّرْنَ, when they purified themselves, فَأْتُوا حَيْثُ أَمَرَكُمُ اللَّهُ, so come to them as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ordained for you. إِنَّ اللَّهَ يُحِبُّ التَّوَّابِينَ وَيُحِبُّ الْمُتَطَهِّرِينَ. So Allah loves those who return in repentance, and Allah loves those who wants purifying. يُحِبُّ الْمُتَطَهِّرِينَ, those who keep themselves purified. نِسَاؤُكُمْ حَرْثٌ لَكُمْ, your wives are your tilth, your wives are a place of sowing of seed for you, or your wives are your cultivation place. فَأْتُوا حَرْثَكُمْ أَنَّا شِئْتُمْ, when you want, come to your cultivation place, come to your place of sowing of your seed. So these are the injunctions of the menstruation, the menses, and these are the injunctions of the irregular blooding